Hi there, students. Downcast as an adjective. And I guess the phrasal verb would be to cast down. I think to cast down is to throw something downwards. Maybe a bit more metaphorical than that. Maybe Lucifer was cast down from heaven. I had a burden on my back and I cast it down. I threw it down onto the ground. Downcast has two meanings. Either looking downwards. His eyes were downcast. Yeah? He didn't look up. Yeah? And he was downcast. He was depressed. He was unhappy. So there's no reason to feel so downcast. Don't be downcast. Things are going to get worse. So to cast down, to throw on the ground. Maybe there's the story of the old man who he's been carrying a really heavy burden and he's fed up with it and he picks it up. He takes it from his shoulder and he casts it down because he's really downcast and he says, I wish death would come and take me. And death arrives and says, yeah, can I help you? And the old man says, no, just help me to pick up this burden that I cast down, throw down. Okay, so downcast. If you're downcast, you're depressed, you're sad, you're without hope. Yeah, I thought you were looking a little bit downcast this morning, a bit dejected, a bit blue, a bit despondent. Yeah, a little bit low and unhappy. Maybe you felt in the dumps and were rather glum. Okay, so if somebody's downcast, they're feeling despondent, they're feeling disheartened. Yeah, they're dispirited and not very encouraged. Her eyes were downcast. His eyes were downcast. Don't look at him in the face or you'll get really angry. Keep your eyes downcast, directed downwards. Yeah, his head was downcast as well, I guess. But then if you're dejected, your eyes are looking down, your head's looking down, your whole body language is downcast, is throwing down. To cast, to throw. Yeah, so downcast, come on, there's no reason to be so downcast. There are lots of reasons for you to feel happy. Yeah, don't feel sad, don't feel so downcast. Yeah, I know when the weather is grey and rainy you feel rather downcast, but there's no reason to be depressed. Yeah, he was silent and his eyes were downcast. They were looking downwards. Okay, so downcast, looking downwards, or feeling despondent, feeling blue. Yeah. To downcast as a verb, I would use it to cast down. I think cast down is much better. To cast something down, to throw it down. Yeah, well, I was cast down by the situation. I was discouraged, dejected. So it works like that as well. Yeah, he glanced, a downcast glance. He glanced. His glance was downcast. Yeah, so if you're downcast, you're dejected, sad, depressed, disappointed, discouraged, miserable. Yeah, a bit choked, a bit dispirited and despondent and disconsolate, disheartened, rather crestfallen. Yeah, you're probably sick as a parrot about something as well. So it's the opposite of happy. You're a bit blue, a bit low-spirited and gloomy. Yeah, it's time to cheer up. And then with downcast eyes looking downwards. Okay, so let's see. Downcast as an adjective, formality. It's a touch on the formal side. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. In an informal conversation, I suppose just about. Better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then to cast down. I know it's a phrasal verb, but he felt cast down by this. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. It's a phrasal verb that I think rises to the point of neutral. Cast down, use it absolutely anywhere, which for a phrasal verb I suppose is unusual. And then, yeah, to cast down, well, the down bit's easy. Cast from Old Norse casta, to throw or to overturn. Proto-Germanic castona, to throw or to cast. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Downcast. Cast down.